Hello, aspiring artists. Kamran here, ready to guide you through a delightful drawing session. Grab your art supplies, and let's explore the creation of a charming goat together. Start by drawing a rounded shape for the goat's body. Add a smaller circle on top for the head. Goats are known for their distinctive horns, so extend two curved lines upward from the head to capture this feature. Don't forget to add expressive eyes with small circles and a gentle curve for the mouth. Moving on to the body, sketch 4 short legs with hooves at the bottom. Goats often have fluffy tails, so draw a small tuft at the back. Now, let's give your goat some personality. Add details like ears, fur texture, and any unique markings you'd like. Feel free to experiment with colors. Goats come in various shades, so let your imagination run wild. You can use browns, whites, or any colors that inspire you to make your goat stand out. Share your adorable goat drawings in the comments. I'm excited to see your creative interpretations. If you enjoyed this artistic journey, consider subscribing for more thrilling drawing adventures. Keep those creative vibes flowing, and I can't wait to witness the imaginative wonders you'll bring to life.